Hey guys, I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while because I was with TikTok, this new app, and also I have a TikTok. I'll put it in the description below. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make sanitizer slime. So you see this? You can use any type of sanitizer, like any type of sanitizer. I just used this sanitizer. It even looks watery. Actually, I have a case. I'll go bring it. It has this case. So I just took it out and got this. This is more than magic. This is in the back, but it didn't say like the title or anything. So that's what kind of slimes we're going to make. Because you know about the quarantine time. And I'm gonna use water and this. And you wanna see how much of these do I have? Guys, you gotta watch this. Let me go show it to you. A huge bag and then another bag of these and then another bag of these. So I legit got 2 bags of those. So yeah, either way we gotta make it. So just put your just remember any sanitizer, like who cares? But the only thing it has to be clear. That's the problem. It has to be clear. Like you cannot use pink. You know those like those sanitizer that's pink, but like they have like it's pink, right? But they have like these stuff and dots things inside. It won't mix. It'll just melt easily. So you just need this, a clear one. Any sanitizer, remember? Any sanitizer but clear. Bomb. So don't mind the background noises. I'm sorry, it's my parents. See, it's my brothers and my mom. So you kind of see, look, it's like kind of slimy, kind of. I mean, it smells good though. So I'm gonna go get one of my mixing utensils. You can use like anything to mix with, so like it doesn't matter. I'm gonna use a pencil because like I don't want to get like the same you know what cuchara is? It's a spoon. Like the same spoon, because if I get the spoon and but I know like when I use it, I'm gonna be like, oh my god, I used the same spoon for slime, but you guys are gonna be thinking, but they washed it. It still tastes like legit slime, like this. So see, I only put the sanitizer in first. Then we're gonna put the water, but if you want to know what type of water I'm using, is this Refresh water, Refresh, or you can also use the Perfeed water. This will work perfectly. And don't add too much. First, add like a little bit. Don't just add like a lot, because depends how much sanitizer you have. If you have like a whole big bottle, you can't add as much as water you can, but I have a small one, so that's the problem. Also, if you hear like more background noises in Spanish, you can understand what they're saying because my mom is Spanish and I speak Spanish too, so yeah. AKA, my mom didn't want me to like make this slime, so I'm still making it without her permission. Just kidding. No, but she said she don't add like disgusting stuff because we have like this big sanitizer, but I'm using my sanitizer with water, so I think she probably would mind and get mad still. So yeah. So guys, no guys, I didn't put it in the fridge. I promise. I just closed it because I didn't want to get in trouble, guys. I promise. I haven't even added the water yet. So okay, let's add the water. People just look at the camera and then. Okay. You always have to add a little bit. Never add a lot. So now you mix it. People always mix it with the point, and I always do the back. Might sound weird because of the eraser. And then you gotta clean this side from this, and then use the pointy side. And now use the pointy side. Okay, then you add a little bit more water. Yeah, more water. A little bit, because if you add a lot, it melts it so easily. So, yeah. I add a lot. It's not gonna work for me now. Because I have like a little bit of hand sanitizer, so if you add a lot, pour the rest in the garbage can. Or in the sink. So you gotta mix it the sides, and get everything very good. And when you're done, throw that away. And then you just close it up. Leave it in your room somewhere about 6 days. It'll be perfect clear slime. So you're gonna thank me later, and please subscribe. Let's get to 50 fans if we can, and go check out my TikTok. It's _Bree2123. So bye guys, thank you so much for watching.